Okay, in this example I'm going to show you how to edit a specific record in a table. Okay, my Adotable data source and DB grid already connected, and it's currently displaying the CD table. So I'm going to select a record in the CD table, and then I'm going to edit some of the information. So I'm going to add a button. I'm going to call this one edit, and when I click on this one I'm going to change values of the current record that is selected. Okay, so I'm going to put my Adotable 1, that's the name of my Adotable. I'm going to put it in edit mode, and then I must specify the records that I want to change. So the records that I'm going to change is the owner and contact details. So I'm going to use this. Let's have a look. Maybe we should use the first one, the pink. Okay, so I'm going to choose pink. First record, I'm going to change the contact details and the owner of that specific record. Okay, so I'm going to say Adotable, the record or the field that I want to change is owner, and I'm going to set that owner to Jim. I think currently that pink CD is Andre, so I'm going to change it to Jim. And then the second field is contact details with no spaces. So you must make sure that your field names is 100% correct. If there's a space, you must use a space. If there's no space, don't use space. So it's contact details. So look, contact details 0672242 650. And if you want to save the changes to the database, you're going to say adotable1.post. Okay, so let's run it. So I'm going to select the pink one. Currently the owner is Andre, and this is the contact details, and it's going to change it to Jim and to the number that I specified over there. Okay, so this, it will change the record I'm currently selected. So now Jazz is selected. I click on edit, and it will edit or update basically that specific record. If you want to update more than one record, you can use a while loop to run through this whole Adotable and then specify the records that you want to update. For example, you can use maybe change all the pop music to rock music, or change all the numbers that start with 082, change it to 083 or something like that. But this example is only to change a specific record, and this is to change the record that is actually currently selected in the Adotable.